Okay, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video. This time we're messing around with a 2012 Nissan Rogue. The blower motor burned out on it, and I already pulled it out. It's just a brief video, not a step-by-step, because trust me, this one is not that fun. Because again, it takes us back to the ingenuity of these Nissan engineers, where they put it all the way up there. As you can see, the hole right there in the center of the car, all the way up there underneath the dash, buried. So just to give you a quick run what you have to do to get it out, because you can't just go in there and take it out. You have to take out the instrument display, the gauges, and the reason why you do that is because there's a bracket. You have to remove the pedals, which I have right here, the pedals, and this bracket kind of holds this like that right there, and it's difficult to get out. So it's just two 10mm nuts that hold it in there, but in order to get to that top one, you have to go through here to get to it. So that's why you have to pull out that instrument cluster, and you got to take out the covers of the steering column. Got to get the little motor out for the that mode door or blend or whatever it is. Got to get it out. A little trick to get this out: there's going to be a 1 Phillip or 8mm screw that goes right here, like that. Once you take that out, this little hook here, you gotta press on the actual casing up there. You gotta press something and then twist counterclockwise, and once you twist counterclockwise, you'll be able to pull it out. And it's still not simple because it kind of gets jammed in there with wiring and things like that, so it's a bit of a mission. It's not a straight to the point ordeal. You know, you got to get a lot of things out. The panel that goes here, the plastic cover, this little foot vent that's here, gotta pull that out. You gotta, obviously, to get the pedal out, you gotta take this thing out, the little pin, and the other, this, you gotta slide it out. It's not a step-by-step video because it was really hard for me to do that with a camera, but it's doable. It's not a super duper big job. It's just kind of annoying more than anything else. So again, you want to squeeze the little tab that's back here on the casing and then twist and pull out. Once you do that, you'll just have to kind of struggle to get it out. There's the other cover. So hope this kind of helps. I know this is not a step-by-step or anything like that, but at least just to give you guys an idea of what you need to do to get this out. So it's probably gonna take you a couple hours to do easily. So I hope this is somewhat of help to you guys. Like and subscribe as always, and till next video, ciao.